So let's talk about another completely useful feature in Excel 2010, and that involves filtering data. Now, filtering data has gotten a real improvement in this version, so watch and enjoy. Just like with sorting, the first thing you want to do before you filter is to select all relevant data in your spreadsheet. Then, from the Home tab, go to the Data tab on the ribbon and look for Filter. The icon represents a funnel, if you use your imagination. Anyhow, click the filter button, and the first thing you'll notice will be drop-down icons appear at the top of each column. These will not print, and they will remain before, during, and after you filter as long as you have the filter setting on. So let's do this. Let's take a look at housing costs, and let's create a filter for people who have housing costs, what do we say, below $4,000. So we'll click on the drop down, go to number filters, and we'll say less than 4,000 and click OK. And now our filter has been applied. You can see that the drop down has changed slightly at the top of the housing costs column. It now shows a small funnel indicating that we have filtered out some data from that column. But let's do a double filter. Let's go to entertainment costs and look for entertainment costs that are under, we'll go for $500 a month. So again, we'll click on our drop down, go to number filters, and we're going to look for less than $500 a month and click OK. Again, our filter has been applied. We're filtering on two pieces of data, housing costs and entertainment costs. If you look on the left side at the row numbers, you can also see that they are highlighted in blue, indicating which rows have been filtered. Now, if at any time you'd like to clear a filter, simply click on the filter drop down and choose clear filter, in this case from entertainment costs, for that relevant column. If you decide you're done with your filter entirely, make sure you go to the Data tab, click the filter button, and you've cleared the filter. It's gone completely. Now, there are a couple things to know about filters that will definitely help. I'm going to keep mine selected, go back to the filter button, and like I said at the beginning, these drop-down menu buttons will not print. I've watched people desperately try and remove them before they print. They don't print, so don't worry about it. Now, when you click on a drop-down, you can also uncheck data, but I typically find it faster to just go to number filters and make my selection from there. It's a lot simpler for me. And as always, when you are filtering greater than, let's say, 2,500 for our housing costs and click OK, none of the data has been lost. It has simply been filtered out. So the data is still there, it's still available. You've just applied a filter, in this case to the housing costs. So that's the simplicity and power of using the filter in Excel 2010. Thanks for watching.